new home awaits you in prestigious River Plantation. The elegant two-story marble entrance is just the beginning. As you walk through the formal living room and dining room, you can't help but notice the fantastic view of greenery. The eat-in kitchen is tastefully decorated, including custom paint. Relax in the den in front of the fireplace with a book from the built-in bookcase. Upstairs is the master bedroom with walk-in closet and full bath. Bedrooms 2 and 3 have a full bath between them. The outside private enclosed patio is perfect for entertaining friends and family. Enjoy the new landscaping and plants. The walls have just been painted and the carpets cleaned. Your 2-car covered carport also has 2 storage buildings for your convenience. This home has been well maintained and comes with a home buyer's warranty. Be sure to check out the in-ground pool and clubhouse. Welcome home to River Plantation.